If your Warzone 2 is stuck on connecting, don't panic, here's how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection and make sure your router is stable and restart it if needed. A wired connection usually works better than Wi-Fi. Next, clear the cache on your console or PC. On PC, restart the Battle.net launcher, and on consoles, a full restart often clears connection issues. Make sure your game is fully updated. Sometimes patches fix server connection bugs. If that doesn't work, check the Warzone 2 server status online. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. You can also try switching to your DNS to Google's DNS or Cloudflare DNS for a faster and more stable connection. Finally, if all fails, try reinstalling the game or resetting network settings on your device. These steps usually fix the stuck on connecting problem and get you back into the match quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.